Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to play the piano. So, this is an introduction lesson. It will be followed up by more lessons on how to read the notes, and eventually it will get you playing classical music or pop music, whatever you prefer. Firstly, we're going to identify the piano. As you can see, it is made up out of white and black keys. Now, we're going to learn how to find three main notes in the middle of the piano. If you have a keyboard, that's fine too. Just make sure you find the center. Okay. We're going to find two black keys in a row. Not three black keys, but two black keys. Okay. Once you've identified the difference, we're going to call these two black keys here, right in the middle, we're going to call it a doghouse. Imagine that these two black keys here are a doghouse. Great. Make sure you can find the doghouse everywhere all over the piano. This will not be right because we have three black keys here, not two, so that's wrong. It needs to be two black keys. Amazing. Okay, next step, we're going to learn a note. Inside the doghouse lives Mr. Dog. This is the note D. So an easy way to remember it is always find our doghouse first and look for the note right inside it, dog. This is not correct. Neither is this. You need to always find two black notes, not three. Okay, can we find a dog somewhere else? Or maybe... Okay, so to conclude so far, we know where our doghouse is, and we know where the note D is. We're now going to learn the note C. Now, we're going to call the note C a cat, as you can see on the picture as well that I've drawn. The cat is not inside the doghouse because dogs and cats don't like each other, so the cat will definitely be outside of the doghouse. There we go. So now we can find the note C and the note D. Let's try and find it somewhere else, shall we? That is the note C. This is not the note C. You always need to refer to these two black keys or doghouse. Find the dog and then find the cat. Okay, now we're going to learn a third note for today. E, or elephant. So the elephant will not be in the doghouse either. It will be far in the jungle away from it. Now let's see, can we find the note E somewhere else? Great, now I'm going to let you find the note D. If you did it correctly, you would have played. Now I'm going to let you play the note C. If you did it correctly, you would have played. And lastly, the note E. If you found E, it is this. So there we have it. C, D, E. Now, if you're familiar with the song Hot Cross Buns, you can play it with these 3 notes. As you can see what I've written on the paper, we have the letters for it. So that was elephant, dog, cat. Elephant, dog, cat. Cat, 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 cat. Dog, 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 dog. Elephant, dog, cat. Very good. You can pause the video and play it. Next, we're going to learn a scale. A scale is 8 notes starting and ending on the same one. For instance, if we begin on C, we will end on a different C, 8 notes higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's play it. Every single note until the note C. Now you try. Well done. Now, you might have noticed there that your fingers got a bit mixed up. You might have done this. Oh, what do I do here? Okay, let's sort that out, shall we? So, you will start on C and get up to E, the notes we've learnt. But then we don't know the rest of the notes, do we? Here we will start again with our thumb on the next note. Let's do it again. You're going to do the same thing going down. Another way of remembering this is to turn on your 3rd finger. This is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. Once you get to your 3rd finger, you will turn on to your 1st finger. Going down, once you get to your thumb or your 1st finger, you will then turn on your 3rd finger. Great. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that the notes go up just as the letters do in the alphabet, up until you get to the letter G. Once you get to G, C, D, E, F, G, it's not going to be H, I, it's going to be back to A again. Let's try that. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And that's how we go from C to C. An octave. 8 notes. Okay, let's think about where is the other A now. If this is a C, what is before C in the alphabet? A, B, C. Oh, B. And what is before B? A, B. Oh, A. So, we can see here that the notes on the piano are only A to G, again and again and again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and so on. That continues throughout the whole piano on the white keys. We will get to the black keys further in the next lessons. Okay then, we can also identify The next notes after E with animals, we've got cat, dog, elephant. Now the next one we're going to learn is frog. F for frog. And giraffe. G for giraffe. Cat, dog, elephant, frog, giraffe. You might be familiar with the song Believer by Imagine Dragons. If you are, this is a very simple and easy way to play it. As you can see on the paper, I have drawn some animals and also written them above the words of the song Believer, the chorus. What happened to C? We didn't play this, did we? We played C sharp, or otherwise known as a hashtag. That's what it looks like. But in music, it's called a sharp. This sign here. So you're going to play the animals just as they're written. Dog, frog, frog, elephant, dog, frog, frog, elephant, dog, dog, frog, frog, elephant, cat with a sharp. If this is too much for the first lesson, then you can just practice what we learned earlier. Go back to hot cross buns, and once you're ready, move on to learning sharps. Okay, well done. This was a very good lesson. Make sure you keep practicing Believer by Imagine Dragons and hot cross buns. And in the next lesson, we will see how to read music.